Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how to create or add your Gmail account to Outlook on an Android device. So just to check my Android, I'm going to settings right now. I'm going all the way down to check on the system, okay, system, and then about phone. This will give me pretty much some basic information of my Android device, the version and everything, the RAM memory they have and resolution. Just to know, I mean, a little bit more about it, then you must have the Outlook application already installed on your computer. So, or in this case, on your phone, sorry. Then right now I already have it. As you can see, it's under this group of applications. Okay, so this is Outlook. If you don't know how to install it, then I can go ahead and you can share that comment, and I can upload a video on how to get your Office applications installed on your phone. So in this case, I'm going to tap on Outlook application. Right now it's opening up. If I zoom in, there is no applications or accounts set up yet, then you might be asked to enter the account. But if I zoom in, you already have an account, then you just have to go to the upper left hand side corner on this hamburger icon. Then right now I have as you can see, an Outlook account over here, an Outlook account and a Gmail account already. So you want to add another account, so you're heading down to the bottom on this section, okay, to this little gear icon, and then after you do so, then you want to hit where it says add an account. Okay, add an account, this section. So let me hit add an account. Okay, so it says add an email account, add a storage account. So what I want is pretty much just a storage account, so I will select the very first one. Okay, let me select that one. I already have that one. Then I hit at the bottom that says add an account, so I click add an account, tap on that one. Okay, right now it's loading. Let me just delete this one. I just need another one. Okay, let me do it on my phone really quick. asconverto@gmail.com. So hit continue. Okay, so it's taking me to Google account. So I just use another account, which is the one that I want. I hit or tap where it says add account. It will ask me for my PIN here. If you have a PIN, then it will ask you for your PIN or password. So Berto@gmail.com. Hit next. Password. Agree. Just checking the information over there really quick. Okay, go back and hit allow afterwards. Authenticating. Okay, so Asconverto is right now right there, so I hit just name Asconverto. That's it.